So good afternoon, participants. I think 57 are there. So good afternoon once again. On behalf of the Electrical Engineering Department of Airtel Charities, Father C. Rodrigues Institute of Technology, Vashi, I welcome you all to this valedictory session of the 5 days FDP in the area of power electronics. I hope we have met your expectation. Except some technical glitches in one or two sessions, I hope that all the programs went well. Now we would like to hear from you all participants. Before that, our head of the Electrical Engineering Department, Dr. Bindu S, is present in the meeting. Dr. Bindu, would you like to say something?
Yeah, good afternoon on all the participants and
Your sound.
good afternoon, all of you. Is it audible?
Yes.
Yeah. Good afternoon once again. I hope all of you enjoyed the session. As Mini told, there were some small technical glitches which are unavoidable under online platform. But I just wanted to appreciate my coordinators. You know, this initiative for conducting this session has started 1 year before I hope contacting the speakers, applying for ASCT and all. So I really appreciate the coordinator, Dr. Mini Rajiv. She was the leader in that one, and along with that, Dr. Mini and Dr. Abhishek, Mr. Abhishek, they were also there with her as a supporting coordinators. And you might have experienced that the speakers which they have selected for this STTP. Now, I just wanted to tell every year we conduct ACT approved STTPs. We have the database of all of you. We will inform all of you regarding our college which conduct the STTPs which we are organizing. This is for the first time we got the approval from ATEL and funding from ACT for conducting this STTP. Even other ways, we always say that to maintain the quality by calling very experienced, from reputed institution for conducting that STTP. So even in future, we hope the same cooperation from all of you will be there. And once again, I thanks all of you for attending this session. And I'm sure all of you have learned many things and you will be implementing that in your college for in your project or guiding this while guiding the students and all. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Bindu. Some questions are there about the test. The test will be in MS platform and the link will be shared both in the chat box as well as in the WhatsApp group. So now we would like to hear from you all participants. Kindly unmute and tell us what are your suggestions about this FD.
Well, good afternoon, one and all. I'm Anand Panchbhai, and the way HOD ma'am said, like the entire preparation started a year back. I remember that I have seen this post almost 6 months back on the LinkedIn maybe, and I was like this is the thing that I am supposed to study. That is the exact project I'm working with. So after learning this things, or after learning couple of things in this particular FDP, you have no clue. I was struggling with couple of converter issues. So I personally texted Dr. Mini Rajiv that will you please give me this particular Sushil sir's number. And she gave me, I had almost 5 minutes discussion with him, and it saved me almost the time of a week to identify what was the problem with my converter. So, and apart from that, I've learned a lot of things about this F28379D, basically Z2000 processors that I'm working with. And yeah, only one thing that I'm facing right now, the issue regarding ADC implementation into that. EPWM I have cracked, and today's session also explained amazing things about it. So if at all something, I mean, of course, I'm going to contact couple of people due to FTB that contacts got developed. So like it was really amazing experience studying. And thank you so very much, Dr. Mini Rajiv, and all those people who have given a lot of time to make this event a very successful event. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, Anand, for that nice words. Anyone else? Yes, please. Anyone else would like to say?
Ma'am, good afternoon, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
First of all, thank you very much, Dr. Mini ma'am and other coordinator for organizing such a beautiful FDP, especially for that's topics is excellent and very relevant for the SPB part. And as I'm likely to develop some knowledge in the DSP based thing, so the sessions what you organize is very good. So thank you very much for once again to organize this one, and in later days also I expect that there are certain good program like this you people are organizing. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you for your compliments. Anyone else would like to comment or give feedback?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes.
Ma'am, thank you for giving me opportunity to in this session of FDP. It is my first first course which I am attending, which is certified. And looking at all the 14 sessions, I think that it helped me a lot. It will obviously help everyone because I'm just a newbie to the course. It gave me enough knowledge and cleared doubts. While for others, I think that renewal of knowledge and clearing of doubt was needed. I think that this course is good enough. And as we save the videos, I think that these videos will help the final year UG students and PG students as well. So thank you for arranging this FDP for us.
That was Prathamesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, Prathamesh. Thank you very much. Anyone else?
Yes, ma'am. Pratikya, ma'am.
Yes.
Respected professors and a few of my colleagues here and my friends present in this faculty development program. There is a lot of takeaway for all of us from this faculty development program named Power Electronic Systems and Real-Time Control Implementation in DSP. It will not only help us to from the teaching prospectus, but it will also help us from the research projects that we are looking ahead in the coming years. It was a really great pleasure to learn from all the reputed professors, especially Agrawal sir, Elumanan sir, Thade sir, and many all. Thank you very much, ma'am, Bindu S ma'am, Mini ma'am, for arranging such a FDP for us. I hope we are also looking ahead to attend such kind of FDPs in the future. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, Pratik. Thank you, Pratik. Anyone else would like to say something?
Hello, ma'am. I'm Guru Prasad.
Yes.
I'm Guru Prasad. I love this session. This is the first FDP I'm attending. And I'm a PG student in the second year. So I got a lot of ideas, like a lot of things like how project and all is done. And mainly this DSP, like the whole project was, whole FTP was oriented with DSP, and a lot of projects based on that also was discussed, grid connected and how it works and all. So it was a very good, ma'am. And particular sessions like when you're operating at high frequency, the inductor which you see as inductor is not an inductor. It has capacitive elements, and capacitor also has inductive elements. Like there are a lot of intricacies, and I love this FTP very much, ma'am. And a lot of new things I have learned, and there are many things which I wasn't able to understand. So I'll again go through those videos and again enrich myself. So thank you everyone for. organizing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Thank you.
During all the sessions.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Priyashri from BNMIT Bangalore. I hope I am audible.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Actually, this is one of the topics which is also my research, my PhD topic. So I was very interested in this, so I attended. And I now realize that I had actually could have done much more in my research by looking at this so much. And I was actually fascinated by Dr. Sushil's design concepts, what he had explained. And Dr. Amit, he explained PCB from the scratch. That was really good. And you have developed not only the technical sessions, I also have a good opinion about the health point of view. You have arranged a very good session on health by Uma Nutri Yoga. That was really, ma'am, very nice, ma'am, Mini Rajiv, ma'am. I appreciate you for arranging such a good program, ma'am. Congratulations, ma'am. You have done a wonderful work. Thank you for providing this workshop, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Credit goes to our department, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I am Bhagyashri from SSW COE Solapur.
Yes.
Actually, I am taking DSP first time, but the sessions you have organized, these sessions help me a lot. So thank you for this organization, ma'am. And you have done a very wonderful arrangements, ma'am, for online session. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Anyone else? One more participant we can take, and then we will go for the test. Okay, I think that's it. Before winding up, I would like to thank Adel Academy for sponsoring our faculty development program hosted by our electrical engineering department, and the management, our principal, Dr. S.M. Koth, our head of the electrical engineering department, Dr. Bindu S., our department, my department colleagues, my organizing committee members, Dr. Mini Nambudripat and Mr. Abhishek Shivalkar, for that wonderful coordination, and all the participants for interacting with the speakers and texting me personally about the FDP and asking the contact of speakers. I am very happy to know that you are very interested in knowing more about in the area power electronics and its implementation. I hope you all will continue that interest and try to implement some power electronic systems in DSP. Thank you so much. Now we can wind up and we can have the test. I think, Mini, can we have at 2:45?
Yes, ma'am. I will change the setting.
Mini, can we have the test at 2:45? At 3 o'clock? What do you say?
Yes, ma'am.
I
will right now change to 3.
You are not audible. You are not audible, but 2:45 you can make it. I will tell them to give the test. And one more thing, please give your feedback in Adel FDP portal as early as possible after the test. Thank you so much.
Mini, 1 minute. Would you like to take photograph? You were telling that.
Yes.
Before the test, you do that, and then.
Yes. Participants, can you all switch on the camera? Our photographer is there, Seema.
Yes, for sure.
Yeah.
Large gallery view is still not accessible for me.
Make her organizer, Mini.
No, still organizer, but I am not able to access large gallery view.
Oh.
Now it is accessible. Yes, ma'am.
View phone on. I said Google Hotcut here.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Google Classroom. Let's try it now. That's it. Maybe.
Abhishek.
I will also take one snap. Yeah. Thank you all participants. Thank you for switching on your video. Thank you so much. Hope to meet in person in future in our college or your college or somewhere. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Shall we wind up? You can give the test. We will put the link in the chat box as well as in the WhatsApp group. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks.
Am I audible? Mini ma'am? Mini ma'am?
Yes, you are audible, Mini.
Should I post the question now?
Yes, yes. You can change the timing. I posted the link.
Okay, yeah, okay, fine.
Timing you change, 2:50.
Yeah, I get 2:50 now, ma'am. Yeah, okay.
Okay. So 2:50 you will be able to give the feedback.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually, if I'll click the link, it is written that this form is currently not accepting responses. So what should I do?
250 onwards. 250 you can link. 245 or sorry, 250.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. I will put in the WhatsApp group also.
Should I post? I posted, ma'am.
Okay.